Today we are going to be making something very delicious, yet one of the easiest recipes ever. We're making scent leaf or Efirin sauce. Hey beautiful people, and you are welcome back to the Nikki Olori Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
Okay, so this recipe is very quick, very easy, very simple and straightforward. The entire thing, including your prep time, shouldn't take you up to 45 minutes really. So here I'm just pulling apart my panla or hake fish, dried hake fish. I just prefer to use hake fish because it's more flavorful. You can use any dried fish of your choice, or even fresh fish, honestly. So here I'm just blending up some onion, ginger, and some crayfish to make like a nice foundation of flavor. This is basically this is honestly the backbone of this recipe. And also scent leaf soup is also a form of black soup. There are many types of black soups in Nigeria. This recipe is not the only type of black soup, but this is also regarded as a black soup. So instead of scent leaf, you can try with African basil. Actually have not tried it with that, but you can check how it is. It should give a very similar flavor profile. And I also have another scent leaf recipe that I have posted some weeks back. I will put the link for that right now, and yeah, you can just check it out if you really want to use, or if you're interested in adding that ingredient to your pantry, or if you want to use the scent leaves. If you grew up in Nigeria, you know that majority of us just use scent leaf to flavor other vegetable soups or pepper soups majorly, but we've never used it as the main ingredient. Never used it as the main ingredients in like what we want to cook. So this is a nice recipe that actually uses it as the main and the only grain leaf vegetable in this recipe, packed with a ton of nutrients, packed with a ton of vitamins, very delicious, and it hits the point every time people. Okay, so well, before we go, I want to say don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and watch my other videos that are on this channel. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, whatever you like. They all help me, and I really appreciate it. Okay, so we are going to be adding the scent leaf at the last point, at the very last point, because we do not want it to cook for too long, because we still want it to retain most of its moisture, most of its nutrients, because this is going to be something that is very nutritious. We do not want to completely rid it of its nutrients. Here I was just adjusting it to my taste, and so you can just adjust it to where you find, to where you're comfortable with. So I decided to serve mine with some semo, but you can serve yours with any form of carbohydrate. It's fine, with yam, with potatoes, with eba, with amala, with rice even, and it will come out delicious. And really guys, that is all. That is honestly all. So I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.